Hi preschoolers, Miss Holakai here. I wanted to do a little bit more work with shapes, right? Circles, squares, triangles, rectangles. So let's review our shapes. What shape is this? It's completely round, no sides, no corners. Got a clock, and a bouncy ball, and an orange. Those are circles, right? Circles. Even the wheels are circles. Do you see that? Circles. And then we've got these 4 sides that are all the same, 4 corners. There's a pillow and a block and a cracker. Yum. Those are squares. Squares have sides that are all the same. And then we've got this shape. Looks like a birthday hat. And the sail of a boat. And a piece of pizza. Yeah. 3 sides, 3 corners. That's a triangle. Triangle. And here's the one that everybody forgets. This is a tough one. Remember, 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short. 2 of my favorite things, books and chocolate. And do you know what this is called? This is called a domino. That's a kind of game. We use these to count the dots in preschool, but that's really a game that you could play. This shape is a rectangle. 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short. Even though it has 4 sides and 4 corners like a square, it's different. Because square has sides that are all the same. Rectangle, 2 sides long, 2 sides short. And that's it. So, I'm going to show you this book. It's by Tana Hoban. She's a photographer. She takes pictures, and it's called So Many Circles, So Many Squares. I want to see if you can identify the circles and the squares. Look, circle waffles, circle cookie. The top of that glass looks like a circle, and there are squares on the plate. Wow. Okay, let's see here. So that tire, do you see it? What shape is that? Circle. And look, I see this. A square right in the middle on the hubcap. Ooh. This looks like a manhole, maybe a construction site. And that's the tunnel they're digging down, maybe to put some pipes in. What shape is this? And this? Square. Squares. Here is a basket of some onions. What shape is the onion? That's a circle. And look, in the basket, I see some little squares on the basket. This onion is more of a shape of an oval, I think. Ooh, buttons. What shape are the buttons? No sides, no corners. It's a circle. And you have to sew buttons onto shirts. I think if you would sew from here to here and here to here and here to here and here to here, you would get a square shape. But these ones, they did diagonal, and it made an X. Oh, do you know what kind of instrument this is? Saxophones. Yeah. Look at the hole right there in the horn part of the saxophone. That's where the music comes out. That's a circle. And the little buttons you press to make different sounds, those are circles too. Look at this. I bet you see this a lot when you go walking around Lakewood. Traffic light. Red means stop. Those are what shape? Circles. And then look right here. This says don't walk because cars are going by. What shape is that? A square. But what's this sign? What shape is this sign? It says one way. 2 sides are short, 2 are long. That's a rectangle. Look at the teapots. I love to drink tea. Look at the lids. The lids are circles. And then the basket they're in, do you see the little squares down at the bottom? Maybe you help Mommy and Daddy load the dishwasher. What shape are the plates? Circles. Ooh, here's an eye doctor office if you need to get glasses. What shape are the eyeglasses? Circles. Oh, this is a grate on the road. That's where, when it rains, see the rainwater? It goes down there into the sewer. What shape is this of the grate? And then the little tiny ones. Those are squares. My kids are making noise and they're making me angry. Ooh, maybe you had this for lunch. Grapes. What shape are those grapes? Circles. And this is what a tree looks like when you cut it down. What shape is that? Circle. Let's see here. Oh, look, this is a shop where they sell clothes. And I'm not sure what those are. Maybe those are just flags. What shape are those? Squares. Squares. And let's do one more. Look at these kids. These goofy kids, they have boxes on their heads. What shape are the faces of the boxes? That's these parts. Those are squares. We'll learn later on that a box is actually called a cube, but that's for later on. All right, bye.